Today, I will be showing you how you can share your charts without having to share your entire report. To do this, all you have to do is click on the Charts heading to open the Edit Charts side menu. Then, you will need to select Settings. Under Share, you will need to click on the option Share Chart. You will then have the following options. You are able to share it through a link. You can also use the embedded code to add the chart to your website or blog. You are also able to enable the anonymity level feature to set a minimum of responses needed before the data can be shown to those you share the chart with. This ranges from 0 to 10. After you've shared your chart, if you make any changes, they will not be made available to your readers unless you update the changes. To update them, all you have to do is select the button Update. Once you click on this button, you will then see a pop-up which will confirm that your update was successful. Now all you have to do is click OK. All of your changes are saved automatically, so now you can just click Close. We have the Auto Update Data for Shared Charts and Reports setting in your reports activated by default under the Reports settings. This means that while this setting is enabled, your charts and reports will be updated every 10 minutes when a reader is viewing the report for no more than an hour. To request new updates, the reader has to refresh the page. To change this setting, all you have to do is select Settings on the side menu of your report. And here you will see the option Auto Update Data for Shared Charts and Reports. We recommend that this option stays enabled so that you don't have to update it manually. And this is how you share your charts.